Come on, Hale Ray, let's make some noise. Woo!
Here at Hale Ray, we are a family. Our community has our backs and we have theirs.
Our sports teams are backed by our student section, by our sound powder. Through them, we can do anything.
We're able to reach the goals that we set for ourselves as independent musicians and for each other as friends and people who love to do music. And we are largely supported by the faculty as well as the community because we're so integrated.
Our ag program is amazing and is able to get the students out of the classroom and gives them an opportunity to learn things that you wouldn't learn in a classroom or from a textbook.
Art class in general, it gives people time to express themselves and free their minds.
Though we might be small, what makes us special from other schools is that here everyone can find their own niche. There's a place for everyone.